Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese. Start by gathering milk, culture, rennet, salt, and a thermometer. Heat the milk gently, add culture, and wait for proper acidity. Add rennet and let the curd set until it splits cleanly. Cut, stir, and cook the curds to the target texture. Drain away, salt the curds, then press or age depending on the cheese you want to make. Once curds form, cut them into consistent sizes and gently stir to promote even whey release. Increase heat in small steps while watching curd texture, aiming for the feel described in your recipe. Test with a spoon by pressing a curd to see if it snaps or is too soft. When ready, drain most whey and salt the curds evenly for flavor and preservation before pressing or molding them. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab little trees black ice to keep your drive smelling great while you cook. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more kitchen tips and quick food projects. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After draining, salt the curds to taste and for preservation, then pack them into a press or mold with steady pressure. Follow weight and timing recommendations to reach the right density and moisture level. Transfer formed cheese to an aging environment with consistent temperature and humidity to develop flavor complexity. Check periodically for unwanted mold, turning the cheese as needed while you track aroma and texture progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.